Welcome to my unboxing. Today we are looking at an interesting product made by a company named CX. They sell this contour gauge on Amazon for $29.99. You can see the package is quite well designed. I actually liked it from the start. I bought this thing because I'm renovating my house, and it really helps you when you are trying to lay a carpet and you want to take contours of everything around the house. It really saves you time. You don't really find unboxings of contour gauges on the internet, so I'm trying to save people some time and show them what to expect when they are buying this Craftsman set from CX. So let's take a look inside. Inside the package you have the instructions, a thank you card from CX, so that's nice, and the product itself, the contour gauge, and you also have this multi-tool pen. That's really interesting, and let me show you why. It includes a spirit level. You can see on it that it has gradings on it, because it has actually centimeters and inches. You can use it to measure different objects around the house. And the interesting part of this pen is that it has this flathead screwdriver. It doesn't really want to focus, so let me try and focus. Okay, this flathead screwdriver, and it also includes the Phillips screwdriver, so that's nice. Let me focus for you. All right. The pen is actually a ballpoint pen, and it includes a stylus also that works on touchscreen and stuff like that. Now let's look at the contour gauge. You can see that the core is made from metal, but the ruler here and these fins are made from plastic. The plastic is not cheap, don't get me wrong, but when they are saying that the core is metal, don't expect that the whole thing to be metal. It's actually plastic, and just these things are made from metal. It's a very interesting fact about this contour gauge is that the adjustments for it require no Allen wrench, so you can just do it by hand, and it's really easy to adjust it.